In this video, I'm going to show you how to set default zoom in Adobe Reader. Now to do this, you want to open your document and then you want to go to the top left, click on Edit, and then you want to go to Preferences here at the very bottom. Now inside Preferences, you want to go to a Page Display category over here, and you can see up top it says Default Layout and Zoom. So here where it says Zoom, by default it's going to be automatic, but if I click on here, I can change it to whatever I want. Now you have these basic options, which are to fit page, fit width, or fit visible, or you could go ahead and of course set a custom zoom. So for now, I'm just going to do 200 over here, and I'm going to click on OK. Now whenever you open a document, it's going to basically open up as a 200 zoom. So if I go to Home tab, and if I open up like this one, as you can see, by default it opened up as 200. Of course, you can change this to whatever you want and then have that as your default zoom. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.